What's up? Today is Wednesday and I'm having my break here at IKEA. Guys, it's so amazing to think na yung kainin ko ngayon is like worth 750 pills. Yes, 750 pills lang po yung worth nakakainin ko ngayon. Dahil dito sa IKEA, meron po silang halloumi sandwich. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano itong halloumi sandwich. Yes guys, this is the halloumi sandwich which is half KD. Ito dahil sa cheese na fillings niya. Ito yung halloumi cheese. Yan. Ito yung bread na parang French bread na medyo may pagkamatigas, but when you reheat that one, it will, soften a bit. And I have this 100 feels banana. Okay, so from half KD halloumi sandwich, which is like enough to satisfy your hunger. And I bought a banana like 100 feels from a bakala, so it's like 600. And I have my coffee worth like 100 feels, so it's like 700 feels lang pala yung aking ang worth na aking kakainin today. So yun po guys, gusto nyo mag-save a bit sa mga pagkain while you are working or you are like having a break. So you can have here at IKEA their halloumi sandwich is half KD, and you can bring your bananas or whatever fruits that you have. For me, ang ginawa ko, bumili po ako ng 3-in-1 coffee. And hindi ko na po i-mention yung brand kasi I'm like what do you call this? Ayoko pong ma-copyright yung ating video today. So what I did is I bring a cup and of course the 3-in-1 coffee, and I asked a hot water here in IKEA, and they're so nice to to give hot water. And kudos kay Ate Nipali. Yan po yung server ngayon. And she's so nice, when I request for a hot water. Kasi bimira kasi minsan yung ibang mga staff hindi po sila nagbibigay ng hot water. But today she gave me hot water. Yan. Kasi binibili din nila yung tubig na yan. Diba? Wala nang libre ngayon. But most of the time, before ako mag-break, kadalasan po talaga ay pumupunta po, gumagawa na po ako ng sarili kong coffee from the stores. So, pagdating ko dito, bumibili na lang po ako ng whatever available po na pagkain. So, most of the time, this is my food. And I just thought na para magiging healthy siya at saka balance po. So, I brought with me banana. So, may banana, mayroon bread, and then coffee. I think it's enough for me to sustain before 10 o'clock. So, guys, if you wanna save half KD halloumi, and you're gonna bring your 100 pills banana and your 3-in-1 coffee, well, I think it's enough. You're gonna save like a KD every day. So, when you go to the food court, staff meal is like 1 KD 600. Yeah, so you are saving like a KD. So that's good enough. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you are like you like my video today. So ito po kami mga OFW, syempre Tipid, kasi we are looking out for our remittances, na medyo malaki din maipapadala namin dyan sa Pinas, of course. So, minsan tinitiis talaga namin yung sarili namin just to save enough money our for sending remittances po dyan sa inyo. So, that's all for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.